Welcome to the 11th part of the chapter Transport in Plants. Till now we have understood various things regarding absorption, how water is being absorbed. Now we will be studying about how this absorbed water is being evaporated into the atmosphere. This comes under transpiration. So let's have a look into the topic. Transport in plants. Now we are going through the topic transpiration. So let's begin with transpiration. Before starting with the transpiration, let me tell you one fact that if out of the large amount of water that is being absorbed by the plant, by the roots of a plant, only a fraction is being absorbed for the various metabolic activities, and the rest will be evaporated into the atmosphere. So, about 95 to 98% of water absorbed by land plants evaporates into the atmosphere. So, if 100 ml of water is being absorbed by a plant, then only 2 to 5 ml will be utilized, and the rest 95 to 98 ml will evaporate into the atmosphere. So, from this we can easily form the definition of transpiration. So, the loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts of a plant is called transpiration. In mesophytic plants, the transpiration is maximum. So, just remember this point, keep it in your mind. Now, I'll explain you this process of transpiration with the help of a video. This video will help you to understand in a simple and quick way about the transpiration. This is a mesophyll cell. It consists of long, narrow, hollow tubes containing no living material. The xylem transports water and soluble minerals from root to other parts of the plant, and only about 95% is being utilized, and the rest is being lost through stomata with the process known as transpiration. On the lower surface of the leaf, the number of stomatas is more. If transpiration happens throughout the day, then there will be a great loss of water. This is controlled by the stomatal opening and closing of the guard cells. During the daytime, water enters into the guard cells along with the potassium ions. This brings about a change in the shape of the guard cells and the stoma opens. During the night, the potassium ions and water, what will happen to them? You can see the stoma opened. Now it's night. During night, potassium ions and water molecules leave the guard cells. Thus the turgidity decreases and stomata closes. So, stomata also act as the main site of gaseous exchange in plants. So, students, this was all about transpiration, an interesting topic. Yes? Yes. In this part, we have learned that how the water absorbed by the roots is being diffused to the atmosphere. And you also learned that only 2 to 5% of water that is being absorbed by the roots is utilized for the metabolic activities by the plants. Rest 95 to 98% water is being evaporated in the atmosphere with the help of the process known as transpiration. And what is it that is helping out in this transpiration? It's the stomata that is found on the surface of the leaves. Stomatal opening and stomatal closing. This is being guarded with the help of the cells known as guard cells. I hope this is very clear to you with the help of the video also, which I showed to you to explain you the complete process. Now we will be moving on to the next part, that is guttation and wilting, in the next video.